Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, enable virtualization without BIOS in Windows 11, 10. Open Control Panel. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Check Hyper-V. Check Windows Hypervisor Platform. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.